But when you think about it, the data center is really the backbone of your business. You run your applications and workloads there. You store your sensitive data and intellectual property. And as organizations go through transformation, there's really a focus on things like cyber resiliency. How do they better protect the data inside of the data center? And how do they start to look at future scalability? How do they bring new capabilities, new applications to market faster? Many organizations that go through this are really plagued by aging infrastructure. They're dealing with things like capacity constraints, network bottlenecks, operational inefficiencies, scalability limitations. They're trying to address things like security vulnerabilities. They're trying to address compliance issues, and really they're plagued by technical debt. They're trying to determine how to resolve these issues, accomplish their goals, and often they don't know where to start. The GDT Data Center Strategy Workshop is a complimentary 2 to 3 hour workshop with senior level GDT experts. It's an opportunity to dive into specific challenges you're facing in your transformation and modernization journey. Now, throughout the workshop, we'll focus on short-term and long-term goals, but we'll also look at the desired end state and take into account any projects or initiatives you have along the way. The entire session is meant to be interactive. It's customer guided to make sure that it fits your specific needs. And we'll start by looking at the current state of your infrastructure and applications, focusing on things like storage, data protection, networking, virtualization, and cloud. It's a chance to dive deep into workloads and understand your application development lifecycle. And really, we'll focus on what's working well and identify areas that need improvement. We'll cover the latest industry trends and how they relate to your business. But at the conclusion of the workshop, you'll walk away with an actionable list of next steps of how you start that journey. You'll get a high-level roadmap on how to kickstart your data center transformation. The Data Center Strategy Workshop is ideal really for any organization going through digital transformation. Whether you're just making your initial entrance into the public cloud, or maybe moving into a hybrid cloud or multi-cloud environment, or even if you've been operating like that for a significant amount of time and are just looking to better understand the proper place to run specific workloads. It's great for organizations that have complex IT environments. Maybe they're running legacy and modern infrastructure side by side. And any organization that's going through or maybe anticipating significant growth, such as a merger or acquisition. But the Data Center Strategy Workshop is really meant to be customer-centric, which means it can be customized for any client size, any vertical, whether you own your own data center or you're operating in a colo today. Data Center Workshop is an excellent, no strings attached opportunity to really tap into the expertise that GDT can provide and establish a high-level roadmap achieving the specific data center objectives that will carry your business into the future.